Blessing space.
In a society of advanced technology, the very air we breathe is thick with expectations. The population paces in anticipation of taking the next step closer to utopia. One might conclude that the technological endeavors bespeak a shallow arrogance, and even though I agree that that aspect exists, I think the compulsion to discover exists independently of the desire for sudden wealth or deification. Everyone has heard that if a man built a warehouse, he could not force himself to leave part of it vacant. Man cannot ignore capacity. It is a physical and metaphysical impossibility to resist being drawn into a vacuum. If an answer is knowable, then damn it, we want to know it. A common comment: why are we spending millions of dollars in space exploration when there are millions of people on this planet literally starving to death? My answer is this: if the number of starving people doubled what it is now, or if the cost of space exploration doubled what it is, it wouldn't change anything. If the exploration proponents completely ran out of contrived excuses and there were no practical value whatsoever in going out there, we would go. We cannot not go. The mountain climber who explained we climb the mountain because it's there answered correctly. Everyone knew there was nothing up there to justify climbing to its cold and brutal top. Outer space may offer the answers to some important questions about our planet, some relevance to our existence. But even if it did not, it wouldn't change anything. We're going. Whatever exists must be touched by us, blessed by us, not necessarily in arrogance, maybe even with humility, in reverence, with the shaky hand that finally touched the top of Mount Everest, the humanly touched thing. Rocks and dust, dead as dirt, surrounding a tiny sprig of clover, tiny in its green promise, need only sit with patience. As surely as life, the clover will reach out its diminutive tentacles and indomitably and unquestioningly to touch the dead dirt and bless it. Likewise, the astronaut will risk it all to bless the black, dead silence with the living. Blackness more expansive than the human mind can grasp will be invaded by the strangest sound ever heard in that cold breathing.